Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another live trading video on the channel. Unfortunately, I'm just going to tell you right now, it's a very small day. So if you're looking for a really interesting or high P&L day, this is the video to skip. You can go ahead and just move to another one right now. But I am going to break down today's trade, which was a short in BTCM. So hopefully you enjoy. Let's go this trade. Okay, so the first trade of the day here was on BTCM, and I was watching it here as it was pushing up towards the high of the day, which at the time was about 440. You can see it gives a nice jump here through 440. So as it's just barely over the highs here, I'm not going to be starting it here. I want to see a nice move up through 450 at this point, and then I'll try and read the level 2 and the time and sales if it can make a nice pop through the 450s here. So watching it here through 450, it's through a little bit, but I'm looking for a much stronger move, stronger candle than that. We still got a good amount of volume coming in here, so still thinking that this can move up higher before I was going to start any kind of short. Maybe up through the 460s would be a potential area to start this one. So I'm watching it here, seeing if it can get up through the 460. It's creeping up slowly. Still a good amount of volume coming in though. We're up to about 200K or so on this candle in this 1 minute. So I'm watching it here as it gets into the 460s. Want to see what it does when it breaks 460 here. You can see the little bit of a wall there. It gets broken down, breaks 460 and goes up to about 464, 465 here, and then it starts getting rejected back down. So I put 200 shares out at 462. I get a partial fill initially there for 176 of the shares, so still looking for 24 more of the shares if it pops back up to 462 here to get in my total initial short size there at 200. There's the fill on the remaining 24 shares, and I have 200 shares short here at 462. So decent starter. I was thinking this could easily pull back down to and below 440 if this was the top of this move. And if it's not the top, then a decent move up through like 480 would probably be what I was looking for. And you can see it actually does it here, but it kind of hits into that halt price, which is why you saw the level 2 go gray there and then immediately shot back down. So I didn't get any ads there over 480, which was mostly because of that halt price. I didn't want to hit it right at the halt price just because a lot of times, especially on the first halt on these lower stocks, if it's going to halt there, then I can probably get a better price coming out of the halt before it dumps than going into the halt. So didn't get it there. Now I'm looking at it. I'm like, all right, so I haven't gotten the top of this move. Do I just want to put my shares out here in case they come down? So I decided to put them all out at 452, which is only a 10-cent move back down to the downside. But because I didn't get in on that move higher, I decided not to look for a lot, just look for a little bit here. So it does start coming back down, and I'm not going to move my order at this point. I'm just going to let it sit there at 452 and see if it can get down and get me. And, you know, at the very least, I will at least have finally gotten a trade in on the day. It's about 10:40 in the morning, so I sat here for over an hour before I really found anything that I was overly interested in. I was watching KMX a little bit earlier, but it was a little bit not ideal just because of its potential to blow up in your face. So I decided to avoid that one. But I am looking for 452 here. You can see my order there on the level 2. It's like slightly smaller. That's my order, and it goes ahead and gets me the fill there, and I'm all out for $20 here on BTCM. And unfortunately, that is going to do it for my day. I did sit around a little bit longer, didn't find anything else. So like I said, small green day today, but hey, small green day is better than any red day out there. So I'll take it, and I will move on. Getting ready to go to the gym. Going to put in a really nice, going to be at least a 2-hour session today between lifting and cardio. So looking forward to that, which is not something I thought I would be saying this time last year, but that's what we're doing now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.